What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dopeaxxpana, and today in this video I'm doing some versatile tribal braids using the miracle knot method. Today I teamed up with EayonHair and I'm using 5 packs of their crochet hair in deep wave, and this is the feather tip crochet in 20 inches, and this is probably the longest that I've used. And the girlies have been saying that y'all haven't been able to find colored feather tip crochet hair, so I'm really excited to share my next couple videos that I collaborated with EayonHair on because they have such a wide selection of colors. Like, yeah, you guys are gonna love it. So lately miracle knots have literally been trending everywhere, and I got tired of doing like just the basic miracle knots, so I've been switching it up lately and doing kind of like some versatile tribal braids. I actually hate doing this style in real life when I'm adding braiding hair to it because I don't know, for some reason this style just takes hella long. But using the miracle knot method, I've actually been able to save a lot of time on this install and still get a really full look. And I love the versatility of it because when my clients go to style it, they can just do it so many different ways. So basically, to start off, I'm going to be doing the plaits in the back, and I'm adding one piece of that feather tip crochet hair to the end of each braid. I always tell my clients whenever they want any type of miracle knot hairstyle, you need at least 3 packs. I'm using 1 pack for the ends by itself, and then you need at least 2 packs to feed through the style because you want to get that fullness so it looks like boho. Otherwise, these braids could really honestly get boneless, and that's one of the things that I hate about seeing some people's miracle knots. It's got to be full, y'all. Now, because this originated as like a DIY style, there's been a lot of discourse online because people are saying like, oh, the feather tip crochet hair is like expensive. It's definitely an investment, but let me tell you guys why this hair is super bomb. So number one, it is 100% human hair. It can be washed, it can be manipulated as in flat ironed, it can be dipped in hot water to loosen that curl pattern, and it is reusable. So the great thing about this is when you take down this style, you can reuse this hair for multiple installs. So it's an investment. If you think of it kind of like bundles, it's pretty much a similar concept. Can you do the same thing with bulk human hair? You can, but it is much harder to save. I remember one time I took down my boho braids and I was like, oh my god, this hair is like still bomb, and it was just so hard to keep track of it. So having that string connecting it really helps it to be able to be reusable. Lastly, as a braider, I love using feather tip crochet hair. Number one, it cuts your prep down time literally like pretty much there's no prep to it. You pretty much take it out the pack and just separate the strings and you're good to go. Also, it makes for cleaner braids, guys. I've noticed that using the feather tip crochet hair, you don't get those flyaways that you would get from using bulk human hair. So yeah, I definitely would recommend using the crochet human hair over, you know, the bulk human hair. And like I said, it is an investment. It's definitely worth it, and you can use it for multiple installs. So for the top here, honestly, I'm just freestyling, which is really rare. I kind of just do a combination of different type of braids that I've seen before. And yeah, I'm gonna do the entire style, all of the braids before I crochet that hair in. I always like to do this so that I can gauge how much hair I have in to add to this install. And yeah, I can kind of see where I need to put those pieces. The most tedious part about this style is probably braiding those crochet hair ends in, but honestly, if you take your time, it's really not hard. I always use a little bit of product to help blend my client's natural hair. I'm gonna braid it a little bit past her natural hair, and then I'm gonna create a small knot. This knot is not secure by any type of glue or anything, so it's gonna be very easy to get out. Most of them slip out by the time my client is ready to take their install down, and then the last step is just to go in and crochet the hair in. The crochet part is actually the quickest part for me. It takes me about 30 minutes to crochet all of the pieces into my client's natural hair, and a lot of people ask if it really is quicker. It definitely is quicker. I feel like if I were doing this with braiding hair and the regular bulk hair, it would probably take me about 6 hours. I can do this in 4 hours using the miracle knot method. Now, as an advanced braider, I don't want to have to prep at all, so I actually hold the bundle in my hand and I kind of just pull those pieces as I go. As you're crocheting this hair in, you do want to be gentle for 2 reasons. Number one, sometimes if your braid is tight, like your pinch is tight on your braids, it can be a little challenging pulling that crochet hair through. Those little knobs will get stuck sometimes, and you want to make sure that you're not ripping your client's natural hair. Also, you want to make sure that you're able to create that knot on the actual thread. If it's not created on the thread, then it's actually going to unravel and come out. So you want to make sure that you're tying that knot in the proper place, and really taking your time and moving through with this is going to help that process. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about EayonHair. I've collaborated with them before a few times in the past. They have a great wide range of colors and a variety of different curl patterns, so I absolutely love that. And my clients love this hair. Literally every time I put it on a model, they're always like, oh my god, like what brand is this? So definitely can trust them on that. I'm going to make sure that everything I use is going to be linked in the description section, and you can see a link to this hair directly in the description section as well. I will say I really loved working with 20 inches because I was able to give my clients some length with these braids, but I'm really just the 18-inch girly. I feel like 18-inch crochet hair has just more volume to it. So if that's something that you're looking for, then yeah. And maintenance for this hair is fairly easy. Literally all you need is water and leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner is even optional. At the end, I'm pretty much just gonna spray my client's natural hair down, and that's gonna just loosen up those braids a little bit and give it some movement. But that's pretty much it. I'm doing her edges. Of course, I'm using the Dope collection on the edges, and I'm just doing something really, really light for her, and we're gonna get into the finished look in a second. I'm really excited for you guys to see how this turned out. As always, guys, I really want to branch out this year and make some different content. So if there's any videos that you guys want to see or any styles that you guys want me to replicate, let me know in the comment section down below, and of course I'll do it for you guys. I really kind of want to start stepping out my comfort zone because I do a lot of boho braids and miracle knots. It's kind of like I've been stuck in this little box, and I'm just trying to be a little more creative this year. So all I'm doing right now is taking my mister for this finished look, and then we're gonna get into it. I did pretty much a reveal for my client, so I'm gonna let you guys see that in real time with the real audio. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Everything will be linked in the description section for you, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay tuned for the finished look. No, stretchy and that though. No, I'm just kidding. It's hella cute.
Wait, because you know I gotta.
Oh yeah, flip it. You do your thing. You do, girl.
Not too much on me. Hold on.
Girl. Yes, that's your side.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. So there's like 4 or 5 little braids where you can flip the whole. Is that too much?
No.
No, that's hella cute. Oh, you feeling yourself? Okay, let me see. You can put it up too. It feels hella lightweight, huh?
It does. It feels good.
Hold on, let me see. You ever put your hair up?
Nope. Oh yeah, leave this piece down.
You want the whole bang? This your side? I like the other side. People be loving this side. That's too much or no?
Mm-mm.
No, that's cute. I feel like you might be a bun girl though. Let me see.
Head too big for the bun. You think so? Like a messy bun?
If it was like, yeah, messier. Maybe when it's tighter. Okay, yeah, nah, that looks good.
Oh!
No, I don't. No, because I like the other side. I be like the other side.
I'm just like confident with this side.
Yeah, no, this side is cute. Dang. Okay, I'm trying to see what style would be cute on you. Okay, wait. Let me try one thing. One thing. You always wear it to the side?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna see if we can convince you to do
or like the
today.
pieces down. And
yes,
then half
the
up,
two.
half down. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you do half up?
Yeah.
You don't ever put your whole thing up, huh?
No, I feel like my head's too big.
You might be right. We're gonna see though. Nah, you gotta leave some down. You got the singles right here too. Ooh, hold on. I feel like I'm on this up there. Let's see here.
Okay, I like that. And then make it kind of flow. Yes, there we go.
Yeah. Okay, I like that. You don't feel like that's a lot.
I like it like that.
You like more?
Yeah.
Why are you trying to cover your face?
Am I covering it?
Yes. Nah. You right. You know your shit.
Yeah,
you know your shit.
It's the
You know your
head
shit.
shape.
Okay, hold on. Let me see if we put it. Hold on. I just want to try something.
I like that though.
What? With this down?
I like it up.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it up with the two
With the pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, mix
No, that's hella cute. Okay. We're gonna take some photos.
Like
Here, you can play with it. Flip it how you want. We're gonna take some photos. You happy we did the versatile?
I am.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute like that.
It's Eden.
I feel like it's
Thanks
different
for
because
the
sometimes
thought.
the regular singles just be kind of boring. You feel me?
Yeah.
You ever make
It's
it
different.
deep, like all the way over here?
No.
No, that's too deep. That's too much.
I'm
I don't be
gonna
liking the
throw
way
it,
it sit.
like-
Yeah. Yes. You know, ball. Period.
BreAunna, tutorials, lives, reviews, yeah, all that. BreAunna, not the little one. Hey, what you mean? Big box braids on your top, yeah, add it up. Gang finna hit a milli, yeah, add it up. Penna, can you post a vid? I've been really booked and busy, but I got you, sis. Big subs, box braids, and they tug. Dropping gems, tell your friends, yeah, let's run it up. Big likes, drop a comment or we finna fight. Cause why wouldn't you like, comment, and subscribe?